Sonny perched on the edge of the salon chair, her halo of Jamaican afro curls bouncing with each nervous fidget. Her cousin, Trina, just a year older but radiating an intimidating confidence, was prepping Sonny's hands. "Relax, Sonny," Trina said, her voice a smooth island breeze. "This is practice for both of us. You're my canvas for the tropical sunset design I've been cooking up." Sonny sighed. Trina was laser-focused on becoming the best nail technician in Montego Bay, maybe even all of Jamaica. She practiced relentlessly, her bedroom transformed into a mini salon, filled with polishes, glitter, and enough brushes to paint the entire Caribbean Sea. "But what if I move?" Sonny blurted out. Her family had been hinting at moving to Canada, a land of snow instead of sun, of sleek skyscrapers instead of vibrant markets. Trina paused, brush hovering over Sonny's nail. "Canada? But who will be my hand model?" Sonny giggled, relieved. "I don't know. But if I go, I promise to send you pictures of my snow-white nails. Maybe even come back for Christmas and get the Jingle Bell Jam design." Trina grinned, the worried lines around her eyes disappearing. "Deal. But listen, Sonny, no matter where you go, you carry Jamaica with you. You got the sun in your smile, the rhythm in your step. And me? I'll be right here, painting masterpieces, ready for when you come back." She dipped her brush in a vibrant orange polish. "Now hold still. We gotta capture that perfect Jamaican sunset, even if it's just on your fingertips." As Trina worked, Sonny felt a warmth spread through her, not just from the salon lights, but from the bond she shared with her cousin, a bond as bright and enduring as the Jamaican sun. No matter where life took her, she knew she would always carry a piece of home with her. And maybe, just maybe, she convinced Trina to open a branch in Canada someday.